Hi guys!
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
We are doing a Riley toy review. So what we got here, Riley?
Miko DIY 712.
What 712? So this is our first collection. We forgot to take a video how we put together, but this is what here. This is what inside, and this is the one now we build. So they got a house, swing. What's this, baby?
It's a swing.
Swing bed.
And then you swing it and then it works again. You fix it again.
Where you?
What?
So really is been mucking around this one. Where is the other? Can you put that here? Put that there. So we also have this one. So where is the crocodile? Put it here. Put the crocodile here
Okay.
in the front. So that's the set, guys. This is all the set. Riley, no, put here.
Those are.
So we built this yesterday. So the rope can open.
And it also got a new side.
Yeah.
And then you do this with the Miko DIY. You see.
No, we don't do that.
I caught you do.
Mm.
And then you step on it, and then you get the golden coin. And then you pull it back and do it again. You can also put the cross forward. Wait. You can also put the cross forward and backwards.
What is that?
This?
This one.
It's a cloud.
Ah, it's a cloud, yeah.
Open the door, quack. You got your angry face. Mommy, look what it says. That. And it got some horns on his teeth. Got teeth. And eyebrows and eyes. More eyes and more eyes. Eyes on her head. No eyes.
Yeah.
Tumble.
We bought this yesterday. So,
Quiz.
do you like the
Quiz.
Super Mario set, Riley?
Yes. Another one outside. Another one. Mommy, you can also do this with two. Ta-da! You can do two of them.
Be gentle.
And then the golden star. I'm gonna go fetch. Close the door again and see. Let's go see. Mommy, do they ever go strip?
Far away.
mean the arrow goes right here.
Yeah.
What it says? No, the arrow should shouldn't point to that. Should I? I'm gonna go first. No,
What is that one?
what? What, mommy?
Is that the mailbox?
Yes. You put tiny mails in it, and then you put tiny mails.
Where's the crocodile go? Is that a crocodile or dinosaur? Is that a dinosaur?
It's a crocodile.
Oh, okay.
Both of them get out. Crash. Mom can also put them up here. Can put them up here. And launch him. And you can also put him up here and then launch him. Launch him. Can also launch him.
Over today, guys. Say,
God.
come.
That's over today, guys. Have a good fishing.
No, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching on my video.